Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to actually create a newsletter using Squarespace in 2023. So whether you're looking for a way to connect with your audience and keep them updated on your latest news or product or services, a newsletter guide can be really powerful to engage with your subscribers and build a loyal following. So that's why we came with this video. So please make sure to watch it until the end. Let's go and start with this video. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First thing first, and as always, we need to go to our browser. Right after that, go and click onto the URL section and search for Squarespace. So click here, search for Squarespace, and click on the first link that will appear for you. Now this is the website and that's how it's gonna look like for you. Click on get started as you can see, and it will take you to this page where you're gonna choose like some categories about your website. So what's your site about? Here just choose whatever category you are going for. So in our case we are going to choose either a blog or something like that which is close to newsletter. So we can choose media podcast, and we can choose personal CV. So these two are completely good for us. So let's go with personal CV, then click on next. Let's go back here to answer these questions. Don't see here, you can just write newsletter and write it. Here, what are your top goals? So here, let's say that build a community and offer contacts. Everything is good here. Publish a blog or other media, and that's it for us for now. So click on next here, and then where are you in the process? Collecting inspiration from an idea or personal project. So here replace myself with the one from Squarespace. For us, we are going to choose the first one, which is collecting inspiration, and finally click on finish. Here choose blog, and from the topics here you'll find a lot, so choose the one that will be fitting the actual thing that you have chosen, which is newsletter, which is for us media and podcast, or you can just choose whatever design you'd like. So now I'm going to choose something from here, some kind of template that will fit our subject. So this one looks good, this one as well, and this one as well. But let's keep looking under here. We might find something really unique and attractive. Okay, even this one, I liked it. Very simple. It has too many, like, it doesn't have too many colors in it, but it's pretty cool. All right, I think I'm going with this one. I really like this one, so I'm going with start with visitor. And simply now they are going to build our dashboard where we can edit the template itself. So here put the name of your website, tutorial. And let's close this and click on continue, next, next, and let's get started. Now they will show you the assistant. Let me just close this. Let me just close this real quick. These are really annoying. Accounts, I don't know how to close it. Remove from Chrome. Alright, let's remove it. Alright, now we are going to be good. So finally here we are in the template where we can edit everything and manage everything. So what you're gonna do, simply click on whatever place. When you click on whatever place, you will be taken to another page with the blog and see the actual site. So make sure to go and take a look into the site and how it looks like. Make sure that it is the chosen one for you and the perfect one for you. Right after you're finished with that, go ahead and click on edit, and simply just you have to do is start editing the site. So as you can see, let me just close this real quick. Don't show again, and then just go here and click on this edit button as you can see here. So as you can see here, this is where we can edit everything in the page. So for example, let's edit the site header by clicking on it. Here, these are the settings that you can edit. Basically, there is the site logo, some elements, the style, fixed position, and fixed header style. Let's go through them one by one. Well, in the beginning, you can see here three icons. This is the global settings. Here are for the computer or the desktop, and here for the mobile phone. So each one you will click on, it will be changing the page to customize it in this kind of devices. So let's start with general. So here we can set a title or a logo. We can add a logo pretty simply by uploading a file and choosing whatever image you'd like. So we can upload this image and it will be added, I think, here in the middle, as you can see. Here we can add the logo height, and here we can logo max height. We can see it through here, as you can see. So this is it. This is how it looks like if we made it even smaller. So let's try this out. I think here site logo, and let's make it a little bit smaller, and let's go to mobile, and it has become much more smaller. Now let's go to the second setting, which is here, elements. So here you'll have buttons to add. Let me just make it as a desktop. All right. Here you'll have, as you can see, buttons to add. So if I clicked on button, it will add a button in the main menu itself. We can change it to be whatever we'd like. For example, buy now or join us, something like that. And basically you just have to put here the URL that you want this button to redirect the traffic or the people into. For example, when I click here, I'd like them to take me to google.com. So I will write here google.com, click here to make some settings, for example, open a new window. We don't want them to leave our website. We still need them to be in here. So just open the google.com in a new window. Here you can add social links. You can turn them off and turn them on. You can here edit social links from here. You can add a social link from here, or you can just like edit the link of this to make it to your account. And of course, if you'd like to make it invisible, just remove this, click on save, and it will be invisible, as you can see. And it will tell you over here, as you can see, that it is hidden. Now here finally there is some styles that you can edit your website with. For example, you can add dynamic logo, theme logo, or gradients. So these are all for the logo if it is written, not as we are using now. The logo is an image, not a text. So these are like completely the settings, and each logo of these of course has its own settings. You can here edit it, as you can see, change navigation bar color of the text itself. You can customize it from here, make it whatever color you think of. Here finally you'll find blur background if you'd like to add some blur, and you can see here it is changing. It's not really quite visible because it is gray and the background is white, and the blur is not really good at these colors. Finally you can add here border, and finally here the drop shadow. Now let's close everything and click on done and then save. Now it is saving, as you can see, so give it some time and it will be ready right after it finishes with the saving. Now as you can see, it has been done, so everything is published. So if I went to my website once more, I will see it normally from the edit section. And now guys, after you have edited, all you need to do is start creating pages and making content. So you can just go to one of these blogs and then add some comments, add some, for example, blogs, newsletter, and much more by your own by clicking on this plus icon over here, or just changing the article that you have in these ones as well. So yeah guys, this is completely it. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.